Good morning, class. Today we shall start with exercise 5D. Okay, we shall do till question number 10 of this exercise. Prove that cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 the whole square equal to 1 plus sin theta. So I am taking LHS. This will be equal to iska square is a plus b the whole square ka formula, that is a square plus a 2ab plus b square. Okay, so I am writing this as cos square theta by 2 sin square theta by 2. So this is a, this is b, plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, but we have to prove that it is equal to 1 plus sin theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So here cos square theta by 2 sin square theta by 2 will be equal to 1. Now what do we know? We know that sin 2 theta ka formula, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. So what will be sin theta? Sin theta will be in the place, in sin 2 theta you are having 2 sin theta cos theta. So when it is theta, so divide theta by 2. So this will be equal to 2 sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2. ठीक है, यहाँ अगर डबल है तो यू आर गेटिंग हियर उसका हाफ है ना, तो यहाँ पे थीटा है तो उसका हाफ होगा थीटा बाय 2, right? So this will be 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so this is equal to RHS. Next question, sin theta into tan theta by 2 is equal to sin square theta by 2. Same thing, you are taking sin theta into tan theta by 2. You know that sin theta, what did I just say? If sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, we know that sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So in the place of sin theta, we are writing 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. And what about tan theta by 2? Tan theta by 2 is sin by cos. So sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Yes, and cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. You are left with sin square. Sin into sin is sin square theta by 2. So this is equal to your RHS. Okay. Question number 3. You have to show that 1 by secant 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin power cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta. So I am taking LHS. LHS equal to 1 by secant 2 theta. Secant 2 theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. And therefore, what do you know about cos square theta ka formula? It is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is our LHS. Now we shall move on to cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta. So this is of the form what? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? So here this is actually cos square theta the whole square minus sin square theta the whole square. Okay, so this will be cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta. So a is cos square theta, b is sin square theta, and therefore you will get cos square theta a minus b into a plus b. You know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, and therefore see LHS is cos square theta minus sin square theta and RHS is cos square theta minus sin square theta, and therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, let's move on to question number 4. 2 by cot alpha into tan 2 alpha is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha. Okay, so we are considering LHS. So 2 by cot alpha. So cot alpha is 1 by cot alpha is tan alpha. So you're left with 2 tan alpha by 1 by tan 2 alpha. What is the formula for tan 2 alpha? Tan 2 alpha equal to 2 tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan square alpha. Okay. So here you have 2 tan alpha by tan 2 alpha. So this will come this side. So this will be nothing but 1 minus tan square alpha. Are you getting? So here we will get that. ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 1 minus tan square alpha will be equal to 2 tan alpha by tan 2 alpha. So therefore this is equal to RHS. Okay. Question number 5. Sin 2 alpha by 1 minus cos 2 alpha equal to cot alpha. You have to prove this. So sin 2 alpha formula is 2 sin A cos A. Okay. And what about cos 2A formula? Cos 2A is 1 minus 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay. So you have to substitute the formula such that you get this answer, cot alpha. So if it is cos square, that would be better. So here you will get 2 sin alpha cos alpha. When you multiply 1 minus 1 minus into minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha. Okay. 2 sine alpha cos alpha, 2 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 cos square alpha. Okay, here 2 is common, so 2 I'm getting taking outside, so this will become 1 minus cos square alpha. 1 minus cos square alpha is nothing but sine square alpha, and 2 will get cancelled, and therefore sine alpha and 1 sine alpha will get cancelled, and therefore you're left with cot A. Okay, so cos A by sin A will be equal to cot A. Okay, question number 7. Sin 3 theta minus sin theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta is equal to 2. So substitute the formula of sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by sin 3 theta. Sin theta. Cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta divided by cos theta. Okay, when you divide you will get sin theta cancel हो गया 3, यहाँ पे minus 4 sin square theta, here you are left with minus 4 cos square theta minus 3. So since minus is common, sign will get changed, and therefore you are left with 3 minus 4 sin square theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6. Here minus 4 is common, you are left with sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore 6 minus 4 will be equal to 2, and this is equal to RHS. Okay. Last question. Cos cube A minus sin cube A divided by cos A minus sin A equal to 2 plus sin A by 2. So here we are substituting A cube minus B cube formula. A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. This is the formula of A cube minus B cube. So here we are writing cos cube A minus sin cube A is cos A minus sin A minus B into cos square A plus sin square A plus sin A cos A divided by cos A minus sin A. Okay, this will get cancelled. You are left with cos square A plus sin square A will be 1 plus sin A cos A. But you need 2. 2 plus sin A by 2. So what we are doing here is we are multiplying and dividing by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so this will give you 2 plus 2 sin A cos A divided by 2. Okay, multiplying and dividing by 2. So this will be 2. 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A divided by 2. So this is equal to RHS, and this is what we have to prove. Okay, so complete till question number 10 of this exercise today. Thank you.